In this video we're showing you how to upholster seating. So what's this called, a cushion?
Yep.
It's called a seat cushion. And it already had fabric on there with the cushion material, so all we're doing is just reupholstering it. So Maria does a lot of cool stuff. She does stained glass. What else you do?
Sewing.
She's good at selling stuff.
Sewing.
She's good at sewing.
And John was nice enough to let me use his stapler because the one that I purchased, I couldn't find the gauge, the correct gauge staples to get. So make sure when you buy one, you buy the staples with it. You want to pull it tight or around the corners, and voila, this is it. What I'll do is I will trim the back when I get home and put cut this off and put anti-fray on it. I picked a design that if you have like flowers or something, you want to really be careful about exactly where to put it. So maybe put pins in to put the design exactly where you want it, and leave about 3 to 4 inches on either side so that it lays right. This fabric is nice that I don't have to worry about positioning that much. I cut it and then I sewed around to give me some parts that I don't have to go back to fix later. This is the old one. See how it's dirty? And this is just a quick way to freshen them up. I did not do it on the last one, but you want to make sure you have enough give on either side. And I think I need to slide it down a little bit. Okay. And then I staple closest to me. And as I staple, I'm pulling it taut so that it's a nice and tight fit, and that it does not it doesn't crease underneath. Now I'm going to turn this towards me. Thanks.
Now how do you make sure you get everything flat? Because you just turned it around. Mm-hmm. So what do? You just pull it?
Mm-hmm. I just lift it up and pull it. Make sure it's nice and even. And then I wrap it around. Tight. I'm gonna get ready to staple.
And don't staple your fingers.
Yeah. And if you have one of those hand ones, you can make yourself with it. Ask someone to borrow one, like I did, because this does it so much nicer.
Because You Do It has every tool in the world.
You Do It does have every tool in the world. He's my first call. All right, so where it's rounded, I take the corner and I pull it up, and I just try and smooth it out so it looks nice over on the side. And then I just staple in place. And then I keep on going around. Same thing over here. It's almost like a hospital corner or a mitered corner. You want to do for the back, and then just do it again.
But you're pulling it also.
All the time I'm pulling it taut. Because I don't want any creases. So if you want to see here how it looks and how the top looks, there's no creases, and there will always be a little, I can tighten this up, but there'll always be rounded spots here because it's a corner. So I'm just going to bring this up. And see how that's better. Okay. And then the same on the other side. This is very easy to do. You don't have to sew this. You can try and ask for a fabric that doesn't fray, or just buy the no fray. So once you're done, it's sort of like a glue that it, I'm going to do this down here first.
Fraying is when the material separates.
Yes. It doesn't take long. You just have to keep on pulling as you go along. Watch your fingers so you don't.
She almost staples her hand. Alright, so this has been John, Would You Do It? And Maria Arredondo. Hey, thanks for helping make this video, Maria.
No problem. Thanks
All right. This is You Do It. Alright, out.